7 methods to earn $250 a day online with no experience required. I earn $250 every time I post cute car talking videos on TikTok. I post every day and I have different niche TikTok accounts. What I learned is my earning is just the tips of the iceberg. I have not been maximizing my earning potential before I earned those 7 methods. And today I'm going to tell you 7 proven methods that anyone can do to start making $250 daily online. You don't need to have skills or prior experience, as those strategies are designed to help you achieve financial freedom. Stick around until the end because you can do those 7 methods all at once to boost your income, potentially earning $1,750 a day. Method number 1. And this is exactly how I started my journey into the online world. Well, just a different platform, TikTok. I did not know before that earning money online was really possible until I tried it out. Now that I had the experience and knowledge, and I learned that YouTube is 10 times better of an option. So what I did was I created a TikTok account where my face was never seen. Initially, I made all video myself. Those were primarily top 10 and list style video across various topics. I have discussed the best niches in detail on my channel if you want to dive deeper, but for now, let's break down the numbers to see how this can be profitable. Let's say you upload 100 videos over a few months on a faceless YouTube channel. Optimize them just like I teach. If each video averages 250 views per day, you not see massive numbers, but it's consistent. Generally on YouTube, 90% of your views come from 10% of your video. But for simplicity, let's average it out. With a $10 CPM cost per 1,000 views, each video brings in $2.50 per day. That does not seem like much at first, but multiply that by 100 videos and you are looking at $250 per day. Some niches naturally attract higher CPMs because advertisers are willing to pay more for those audiences. Topics like finance, technology, health, investing, and real estate, among others, typically have higher CPM. And if you create long-form videos, the CPM can reach more than $20. Running a faceless YouTube channel involving finding video ideas, producing the content without showing your face, and optimizing for YouTube. Think of each video as a seed you plant. Unlike traditional farming, those seeds video can keep generating income long after they are planted. If this interested you, subscribe to my channel to see similar videos to this. Now, let's talk about another method. Method number 2. Imagine selling something online that you only have to create once with no physical inventory or shipping costs. This is called digital product. Digital product like ebook, guides, and online courses fit this bill perfectly. Websites like Gumroad make it easy to sell those products. Just head to Gumroad, click on the Discover tab, and you will see countless digital products in categories like business, education, and self-improvement. For example, someone sells a guide on how to make a business on Twitter for $199 with 414 ratings. Assuming each rating represents a sale, that's over $82,000 from one guide. Not everyone leaves a review, so the actually earnings are likely higher. If you sell one $250 or two $125 digital product daily, you hit your $250 goal effortlessly. Creating a digital product requires some knowledge in your chosen topic. For example, if you know Twitter well, you can create a guide on building a business there. To make it, you can use Google Doc, format your text, add images, and then export it as a PDF. You can upload this to Gumroad and start selling. To drive traffic to your product, leverage YouTube or other platforms to share your expertise and direct viewers to your digital product. Next up, method number 3. It's all about creating and selling online courses. Don't be intimidated by the idea of making a course. You don't need to be the top expert in a field, just knowledgeable enough to teach others. An online course is essentially a series of videos where you explain a topic in details. If you charge $250 per course and sell one per day, you hit the goal, and that's $7,500 a month. My course about fitness teaches people how to achieve the dream body with the right workout plan, like having a right shoulder look for men or having a firm chest or butt for women. I have everything covered, just name it. We go the extra miles to ensure it's comprehensive and valuable. With over 100 workout plans, checklists, templates, bonus material, and a support group for answering questions. The better your course, the more value it provides, leading to higher sales and greater satisfaction for your student. Promote your course using social media platforms, as it's a powerful platform for reaching potential students. As for my case, I use one of my TikTok account, a fitness niche account, to promote it, since it already has a lot of followers. And if you lack the expertise to create a course, consider partnering with someone who does. You can promote the course as an affiliate, earning commission on each sales, which is the next method number 4. Partnering with someone who has already created a high value product can also be profitable. This is where high payout partner product comes in. Those are affiliate products that pay a substantial commission per sale. Think $100 or more. Ideally, promote product price around $1,000, earning you $500 per sale. For instance, my fitness course is worth $1,000 and I can promote it for a 25% to 50% commission. Promoting it means you just need 1 sales a day or 1 sales every other day. You can drive traffic through YouTube, Instagram, ads, blogs, or online communities. Provide genuine value and then suggest the product as a deeper solution. Move on to the next method number 5. Creating Instagram theme pages is another way to make $250 daily. Those pages focus on specific niches like animal, travel, technology, or business. The content usually involves reposting clips from other users with permission. To grow the page organically, monetize those pages by selling shootout. A shootout is essentially a paid promotion where you feature another account or product on your page. For instance, a page charging $250 for a feed post only need to sell 1 per day to hit the $250 mark. Many top pages sell multiple shootouts daily, making much more than that. You can also promote affiliate products or your own courses on those pages. Now, this method requires some skills you learned during your school days. Method number 6. Given the rise of video content, video editing services are in high demand. I pay $1,000 monthly to video editors across my social media platform. Editing videos for creators can be very lucrative. If you charge $125 for 10 to 12 minutes videos and edited just 2 videos a day, you make $200 daily. Learning video editing through free online tutorial or take courses to become proficient. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and take on more clients. Video editing is a skill that will remain valuable as video content continue to dominate social media. Now, going back to method number 4 about partnering with high payout product, this next method is different. Method number 7. While high payout products are great, promoting low payout partner product can also be effective if done right. Focus on a product with monthly subscription like software. For instance, promoting software like Flicky, which offer 30% securing commission, can be very profitable. Flicky plans range from $21 to $66 per month. If the average customer spend $50 monthly, you earn about $15 per customer. Referring 500 customers will generate around $7,500 monthly, which is convert to $250 daily. Once customers subscribe, you continue to earn commission as long as they remain subscribed. To promote those products, you can create content around them, showing the benefit and how to use them. Use YouTube to reach a wider audience and direct them to your affiliate links. Over time, as your subscriber base grows, so will your recurring income. Many of those strategies rely heavily on social media, particularly YouTube. Running a YouTube channel can be an online job in itself, providing a platform to promote various products and services. If you want to learn how to grow profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step, I offer comprehensive free training in my channel. This training covers everything from video creation to optimization, helping you to turn your YouTube channel into a reliable income source. With that, I want to thank you for watching until this. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more money making ideas. Until next time, I see you. Are you still there? Don't forget to subscribe. See you. Peace.